Hello everyone, welcome back to another episode of Technologyglance. Today, in this video, I'm going to guide you through how you can turn off data saver on Messenger. So, let's get started. Firstly, open Messenger app in your device. Then tap on three lines icon. Next, tap on settings. Then scroll until you find data saver. Next, tap on it. Then you can see the option of on. Turn off it by tapping on it. So this is how you can turn off data saver on Messenger. Thanks for watching. If you found this guide helpful, we would love it if you hit the thumbs up button below. We upload great new tech tutorials like this one every day. So do not forget to subscribe to our channels and hit the bell icons so that you'll never miss another update.